Okay, hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to tell if a scratch on your vehicle is a clear coat scratch or if the scratch has made it through your clear coat. Now this is a very simple thing to be able to tell, but first I want to give you a quick rundown of what your clear coat really is. So you have multiple layers of paint on your car. You got the primer, which is the first layer over, and then you got your color, and then you got clear coat, and if you really want to be technical, you have polish or wax, which can help your clear coat last longer. And it's a very thin layer, but the thickest layer is probably your clear coat. And when a scratch cuts into your paint, usually it won't go through the clear coat unless it is a pretty bad scratch. So we're going to test this scratch out right here, which clear coats are hard to see. It starts from here and ends right there. Let's see if I can maybe get you all closer. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. So I'm going to put that back. Okay. Then you can see it right there. And this is how to tell if it's a clear coat. You just spray it with soapy water or just water. And see how it just disappeared when the water hit it? And then as soon as you dry it off, it reappears. That is a clear coat scratch. So the reason you can even see a clear coat scratch is it puts a cut inside the paint, obviously, but the sun's hitting it and bouncing it back. It's not a smooth surface no more, so it's not like the rest of the paint is just going. It hits and bounces back because there's a little cut there, and that's the only reason you can really see clear coat scratches. Clear coat scratches really ain't nothing to worry about. There is a bunch of products that can actually buff out clear coat scratches. But that's how to tell if it's a clear coat. Now, if you spray soapy water on there and it does not disappear, and I'll give you a quick example right here. You all can see that scratch. That's a pretty big scratch, honestly. No matter how much I spray it with soapy water, it will not go away. And let's see if that's not disappearing. As of this one, disappears. So that's how to tell if it's a clear coat or not. And this masking tape just came right off. It's hard to see clear coats on vehicles, so I use masking tape to kind of help out with that. Now, I'll have a video coming out within a few days of a product that really seems to work on clear coats, and I've had a lot of luck with it. The video is probably already out by the time you see this, so the link will be in the description below, or even at the end of this video. It might even be on the screen right now. I ain't 100% sure. So, anyways, I hope this video helped you determine whether or not the scratches on your car are clear coat or not. If it did, please leave a like rating and subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on. God, that's a tongue twister. Okay, see you all later.